We talked about this the other day. As far as Bezos going to space, the Blue Origin, the space race, Branson, Insider said it, so we didn't have to, but they're a little worried about Bezos' safety. You and I were talking about it when we weren't rolling. We're like, wait a sec, how safe is that to be the first, right? Like, you've invested all this money. Okay, you did 15 test runs, but do you want to send some other humans that aren't you before you're the... maybe so you don't have to be the guinea pig, but no, see, there's weird symbolism there. You work so hard on something, you want to be the first. You want to, like, if you do it, you take the risk. It sends a strong signal to everyone else that they should consider doing the same. If you're not willing to jump on there ASAP, if not first, then shortly after, then people are like, why didn't he ride on it first? Why didn't he?
I know, yeah.
It's like if you build something, it's like, why don't you use it first?
Yeah, I mean, you put on a good point where it's kind of like the Wright brothers with flying. They created their own contraption to fly, and they obviously have to be the first ones to do it, right?
Kind of makes sense.
Crash or not.
Yeah, crash or not.
Yeah.
Well, they ran this thing up and down 15 times, but he will have no pilot, no spacesuit. Now, he's not going super far into space, but space is space. Space is big. I had one of my kids ask me the other day, say, how big is space? I said, oh my God, please.
Don't do that.
They said, you know, how much darkness is out there? And I was like, you look at all those, you look how puny those stars are in relationship to the dark in between them. You know what I'm saying right now? Mm-hmm. It's not even close. And yet the sun seems big. So to have to explain that the sun is small next to the darkness, it's weird.
What was the next question? What is dark?
No. They didn't do me like that.
Your
They
head
didn't do me like
explodes.
that. Well, I was trying to explain that the light traveling from those stars is actually old, or actually like the amount of time it takes to travel even at that speed. And it was almost like I was like, here, eat these crackers.
Yeah, have some cheese and crackers.
I was like, here, I got these Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah. And they're like...
He was actually eating those Sour Patch Kids, and then he was like, I think I burnt my tongue on the sour, by having too many. And I didn't even know if that was possible.
Is it too acidic?
Yeah, I guess the citrus or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's possible. I hope he recovered. Find out later today. So they say Jeff Bezos is risking his life. Man. Risking his life to prove that Blue Origin can safely fly humans to the edge of space. About 1% of U.S. human space flights have resulted in fatal accidents. Come on, Insider. 1%. You can't be putting that energy out there.
Huh.
Now, 1% doesn't seem big, but compared to other forms of travel, like, I don't know, a commercial flight, that's actually pretty high. 1%. In the history of space flights, but that includes more elaborate space flights than this one. This one, they go up. They're up there for about 3 minutes. They unbuckle, and they float. Huh. But then they got to get back to the seat and get the buckle on as soon as the 3 minutes is up, because it's about to be... And there's some G's there, particularly once the parachutes hit. And
wow.
They have a bunch of fail-safes in there. I don't think anything's going to happen to Bezos. I'm going to put that out there. Jeffrey Bezos.
And his brother.
I don't think anything's going to happen, but they have a bunch of fail-safes in there. If the parachutes, for example, don't deploy, or one of them doesn't, then the opposite thruster action increases to balance. And then there's like a balloon that comes out that they land. Like, they got protocol. You know, but what if they hit it with too much juice immediately and then he just keeps going too far?
Leaves the stratosphere.
You want to know something? You want to know something? We lost Jeff Bezos. I don't know why.
Can you imagine?
I don't know why that seems so funny to me. It's just the idea. It feels like a cartoon or something. It's like, where is he? We lost him. It's like, it's like there's something about him getting shot too far.
Yeah, they overshot.
It would be a cool way to go. Like you just pushed it too far and you found yourself in this capsule in space. Now, like, that's not going to happen. He doesn't have enough fuel to launch him that far. But it's a funny idea.
And Elon saves him.
He gets out there.
Yeah, he brings the dragon and then...
quickly gets up there.
Yeah.
Hell of a... That sounds like an action movie. What is this, The Avengers or something? Yeah.